Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be changing the aerial on the MK8 ST from this one to this one. This is a shark fin aerial from Paint Mods and it should fit directly over that. So first of all, these cost around £40. They're actually really good quality. You can get to the colour of your car. So mine is magnetic, and as I said, they are really good quality, like always, from Paint Mods. So yeah, we're going to be fitting this over here and swapping the aerials on the MK8 ST. Now with this you do get a fitting guide. So this is a bit of paper, and on that you get two of these connectors, and basically depending on the size of the thread in the aerial depends on what size thread you have. So these can be used on, I believe, a MK3 Focus or the MK8 ST. So if you're looking how to do it on either of those vehicles, then hopefully this should help, guys. So let's get straight into it. Right, so first of all, to remove the old aerial, you just hold it tight and turn it so that it comes off. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that the area around the aerial base is clean. I've already cleaned it, so we're all good there. Another thing you might want to do is heat up the backing of the shark fin aerial, as it is 3M tape. I'm not going to, just because the car's been in the sun most of the morning, so it's already nice and warm on here. So the instructions do say that you should ideally put the aerial on first, give it a test fit, make sure you know where you're going to put it, mark it out with some masking tape, and then when you come to stick it on, it should be perfect. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to play it by ear and fit it where I think is right. Just make sure it looks good before I actually put it down. Otherwise, I'm sure it'll be a pain to get off a bit later, and actually, yeah, it looks really, really good. Now, I'm going to take this off for the moment. Right, so in the packet there should be one of these threads which is the same size all along. This is the one we're going to be using. It needs to be the same size so it will fit into the aerial base like so, and so that it will also fit the nuts on the other end. So I'm just going to screw that in. I'm then going to take the new shark fin aerial, place this wire connector over the base, and then screw the bolts on the end. So now that that's done, it's pretty much ready to stick down. So we're going to take off the backing, and now it is time to stick it down. So we want to get this perfect. We don't want to mess this up. Right, so to me this looks damn near perfect, so I'm going to stick with it and then make sure the radio works, and I'll update you guys in a second. So yeah guys, that's on. I think it actually looks really good on the MK8 ST. The radio all works fine, so that's just perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mod. It's just a little touch to make the car stand out from a standard one. I think it looks really cool. Gives it that sort of modern look slightly. But yeah, if you guys want to see some more mods to the Fiesta ST, then of course give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video.